Hey there! Are you curious about what an IP address is and how it works? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll give you a more in-depth look at what an IP address is and how it plays a crucial role in the functioning of the internet. We'll also show you how to find your own IP address on various devices. So, what exactly is an IP address? Simply put, it's a unique numerical label assigned to every device connected to a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. It's like a street address for your device. It allows other devices to send and receive data to and from your device. There are two main types of IP addresses, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 addresses are made up of 4 sets of numbers separated by periods, while IPv6 addresses are made up of 8 sets of numbers separated by colons. Now, why are IP addresses important? They serve two main functions: identifying the device on the network and providing the location of the device. Without IP addresses, it would be impossible for devices to communicate with each other and access the internet. Every device that connects to the internet, including computers, smartphones, and servers, has its own unique IP address. So, how can you find your own IP address? It's actually quite easy. You can visit a website that displays your IP address, such as whatismyip.com. So there you have it, a more detailed look at what an IP address is and how it plays a vital role in the functioning of the internet, as well as how to find your own IP address on various devices. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or just curious about the inner workings of the internet, we hope this video has given you a better understanding of IP addresses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.